Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button for more videos. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Energy Interiors and Designing. This is the second part of the video of low cost interior design, where in the last video I have taken an example of villa. So now let's discuss the interior design in detail. So this is the front porch and the lawn of the villa, which has been designed with the two circular columns of dia 12 inches. The house front has been also designed with a garden bench, which also includes a hanging vines on the front main door wall. As you can see in the view that there a huge wooden door which is designed with a ventilation side window, and also the other front wall is designed with the heighted glass windows for the natural light and the ventilation. The another element for the low budget interior is the lighting. So now for the best result, the both artificial and the natural light are important to consider. So the use of the street lights and the outdoor lights can be used or even can a great choice for low budget interior. As you can see in the view that here we have used these lightings for the illumination of the parking area, where the space for the parking area is around 250 square feet. Now as we walk through the main door, we walk through the entrance hallway, which has the area of around 170 square feet. Now the interiors of these two walls of the room, this wall and this wall, has been wallpapered. Well, the other alternative can also the wall cladding with the ceramic tiles and even the wooden tiles. The tiles which are made up of ceramic, but basically they give the texture of wooden. So both the options are feasible in case of low budget. Then the next element for such type of interior is the artistic element. For example, one of the wall has been designed with a mirror art work, whereas the showpieces and also the ornamental sculptures can also be used to complete the view of hallway room. So as you can see, there is a big antique clock which has been used for the second wall with the wooden shoe rack, which is dark brown in color. The color could have been light if the wallpaper would have been slightly dark in color. On top, a flower vase can be used to finish the look of the shoe rack. Then there is a partition of the wooden which divides the entrance door and the staircase in different spaces. This is the living room of the villa, where the TV cabinet wall is wallpapered with the light shade and also with the combination of dark furniture, as you can see in the view. Then the color of the walls are in shades of gray, and this wall is designed with the artistic mirror and the art frames made up of wooden. Then for the ceiling, a chakra made up of wooden gives a complete look to a room. We could have done the heavy wooden false ceiling, but we have avoided because it's a low cost interior project, and usually the use of the heavy wooden false ceiling can be the expensive option. The next sofa, and we have used the slightly dark in color, then the color of the walls. The other elements for the interior design is the indoor landscape, lightings, decoration items which has been used in the design for the final finishing of a living room. The wall of the dining portion is also wallpapered with the same color and the pattern, whereas for the ceiling, the interior hanging lights, as you can see in the view, it completes the view of the room. The color of the curtains is light in color, which is contrast from the walls and the furniture. The next space is kitchen, where we have done the wooden work in white laminate. The kitchen has been designed in the modular pattern, and also the kitchen platform is designed with the black granite and other platform. There are two platforms, so other platform with a different color installed with a cooking stove and the drawers for the storage. So this is the second platform which can be used as a breakfast bar, and it can also be used for the kitchen preparation and the cooking. So as you can see, the entire kitchen has been designed with a beautiful white laminate in the modular pattern. The kitchen is designed in the open pattern with the dining area nearby, and the complete area has been landscaped with the indoor plants. The next room is the bathroom, where the walls are designed with dark shades of the ceramic tiles, whereas the floor and the ceiling are in white shades. The white plumbing fixtures such as the WC and wash basins with the storage under it is used to complete the view and the design. The dark shades and the wooden cabinets and the golden mirror frame is used for the storage and for the aesthetic purpose. So this mirror that has been used in the bathroom is the focal point which defines the center of interior design for the entire bathroom space. Now as we move out from the bathroom, we pass from the living room and the hallway which has the stairs which takes us to the first floor. The first floor consists of 2 bedrooms, a kid's room and 2 bathrooms. So this is the staircase that takes us to the second hallway of the first floor, where the wall is the focal point of this space. This wall has been cladded with the wallpaper and the look is finished with the use of the artistic elements on the wall. This space has also been designed for the washing clothes, and a complete modular rack is given which is made up of wooden, and it has been designed with one carry the washing machine and the other carries the drying machine. So this complete modular rack has been designed for the storage of clothes also. So there are 2 spaces in the design. One is this and one is this, which can be beautifully used as a puja space, and it has been designed nearby the staircase. So this gateway in the hallway takes us to the main lobby, which consists of all other rooms such as the bedrooms and the common toilets. So the first room on the first floor is the kids' room, which has the very less furniture and a more space for the play area. A crib and a few modern furniture designed for the purpose of storage. A wall of the bedroom is designed with a blackboard over here so that a child can explore more and can have fun while doing activities such as painting and drawing. A heighted window has been used for the natural light and the ventilation, as you can see in the view, and the light shade of color curtains has been used to cover the windows. This is the common toilet which is connected to the master bedroom also. As you can see that the color of the walls are kept light so that it gives a look of simplicity, whereas the different combinations of colors could have been used for a kid's bedroom, as it gives the attraction and the sense of color familiarization to kids. So moving out from the kids room, the next space is the master bedroom of the villa, which has been designed with all modern furniture such as the modern bed design, a wooden sliding wardrobe, and also it has been designed with the TV cabinet. The back wall of the bed, as you can see in the view, designed with the wallpaper to complete the look of the room, whereas for the lighting, walls hung lights has been used to give the illumination to the entire room. So moving out from the master bedroom, the next space in the villa is the common toilet. This complete toilet is designed with the shower box, wash basin and the storage. As you can see, the wall has been cladded with the ceramic tiles of slightly dark in color, whereas the walls are kept light in shade. A wooden texture has been given to the floor so that it gives a different look to a bathroom. So you'll see that the wall, the ceiling and the door wall has been kept very light in color, which is white in color, so that it's giving a very different look to the entire bathroom. This golden mirror is again the focal point of the interior design, where the center lies. So that is why the complete look of the room with wall colors and the tile selection are very dependent upon that focal point. Now the last space in the first floor is the last bedroom, which is designed with the wall cladding and the mirror work and the chandelier to give a different look to the room. As you can see in the view that the back wall of the bed is been wallpapered and has been very good interiored with the mirror artwork. The shades of different color for the curtains has been used to give again a different look to the room, and the wide heighted glass windows has been designed for the natural light and the ventilation to the room. The other modern furniture such as the wooden study table, as you can see here, and the paintings give a different look to the room. Also adding a yellow curtains to the window gives a complete uncommon interior to the design. So this is the next space of the villa, which is the common toilet for the kids room and for this bedroom, which has been designed with the dark shades of grey, in which 2 parallel walls are cladded with the tiles, as you can see here, and a space which makes a U shape means the wall, the ceiling and the other wall, which is just opposite to this wall, is kept very light in color so that it gives an entirely different look to the room. So this toilet is also being connected with this kids room. Now as we go down from the staircase, we see a wooden partition over here, which is again designed so that it divides the portion into two parts. So this wooden partition has a golden lamination, and now it is important that this partition is not made up of wood, whereas it is made up of the MDF material. MDF material is a medium density fiber board, which basically a wood substitute material and that we frequently use in the interior decoration. So this is the last space of the villa, which is an open garden or an open garden house. So this portico, as we enter through this main door, is of wooden material, and it consists of a sitting and a semi-covered slab. This garden house also has a swimming pool and a space for the planters, as you can see in the view. There is also a garden fountain which completes all the elements of the landscape. As you can see here, a beautiful sitting and a dining area has been designed under the covered slab. The slab, as you can see, is made up of the wooden material, whereas this is the swimming pool, which has been made up of concrete and the ceramic tiles. As we go to the rear side of the villa, there are the planters which are made up of cement and brick, and they can be used for the kitchen garden. So this garden house also consists of a huge grill machine with a dining facility in a garden house. So this is the complete interior of a house which is designed at really low cost. The use of indoor landscaping can give a great look to your house, whereas the selection of the ceiling lights can fulfill the needs of false ceiling, as it makes your house with the high cost interiors. So I hope you like the tutorial of low cost interior of a house. For more videos and updates, don't forget to click on the subscription link that I have provided in the description box. Till then, like, share, comment on my videos, and keep sharing my videos. Thank you.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button for more videos.